Okay, so good afternoon to all the students who have enrolled in this MOOCs course for this live session of membrane technology. So I welcome all of you to this particular live session. So I'm sure that you are enjoying the course, and we have almost covered around 40% of the syllabus. If and then it's a request that all of you please submit your assignments on time. And in case there is any query and all, of course, we'll be getting back to you based upon your request. We have done that, like re-evaluation, and sometimes it happens. And your assignments will be re-evaluated so that you get proper marks. And I think most of you usually ask about the pattern, that how we'll set the question. So let me brief it about the final exam. Okay, so it will be a 100% MCQ type of questions, multiple choice questions and answers, where there will be four choices. You have to choose one, and there is only one correct answer for that particular question. So in membrane technology course, there will be very few numericals where you need a calculator and all to do it. And of course, calculator will be provided in the computer in which you will be writing the exam by the TCS. And again, even if it is a numerical question, it is the MCQ type of question, correct? So the exam is for 3 hours. Question is being set in such a way that you will be engaged for 3 hours, and that is the mandate from the NPTEL. And all questions, whatever being asked in the final exam, at least few of that are being covered in the tutorials and are directly coming from the lecture notes. You can take it for granted that there is nothing will be asked in the end semester which is not there in the notes. Okay, so this is I wanted to tell you. And somebody is asking that what we will be covering in the next coming weeks. Of course, see, there's a series you can see. I mean, I usually don't remember. Okay, so the lectures and all. So the lecture schedule, everything is there. Huh? So you can see one by one it will be coming. And please read the lecture carefully. We have uploaded the PPTs in the PDF format also. You can download and use it. And I'm sure that it will be of immense use to all of you. And anything if you ask to ask, please go ahead. I'll be happy to respond. You can type your questions in the chat box also in the YouTube. This one also I'll be fine for me. I'll answer that. I'll be looking for that. Or also you can put it in the spreadsheet, response sheet. I can also answer from there. Okay. Okay, somebody is asking something, Hussein. How can we leverage and use this course learning in an effective, efficient manner for the healthcare pharma, being healthcare enthusiastic? Okay, so that's a good one. So what we have not yet covered those person in the membrane technology course, which has a direct relevance to the healthcare. Okay, so that will come in the back end. Okay, so wait for that and watch it. So that is basically about how do you do dialysis using the membrane, hemodialysis. Okay, and that you are going to read it in detail. That is one. I think if it is, it's one complete dedicated lecture. And pharma industry, as it is, we haven't covered anything. But you know that in pharma industry means what exactly you are talking about. If you are talking about manufacturing drugs and all, of course, membrane has a key role to play. I might have mentioned many times in my lecture that membranes, especially the proteins, okay, antibodies, are concentrated using membrane at first end, because most of the time what you will see that these proteins or antibodies are available in the cell culture media in 6 to 7% concentration, not more than that, not at all. So you cannot directly put it into the chromatographic separation where you can basically concentrate it and purify it. So you need to concentrate it, right? So otherwise you need n numbers of chromatographic columns, and the cost of antibodies will be so high that you cannot have it. And it is just not possible. So what is being done is that you use cascading membrane system, the work which I did it during my postdoctoral stint at McMaster University, Canada, where we have used Paul Life Sciences membrane modules, ultrafiltration membrane modules. So 3 stages, okay. So 3 ultrafiltration modules. Then we have concentrated the antibodies, monoclonal antibodies, which are again proteins, from 6-7% to 67%. So that's an excellent achievement. And then now what you do, you take this 64-65% concentrated antibodies, feed it to the series of chromatographic columns to obtain your purity of 99.99% antibodies, proteins, what you can say. So this is one. Second thing is that, as you know, that membrane has a huge application in the wastewater treatment field, whether it is a pharmaceutical wastewater or else it is municipal wastewater, whether it is domestic wastewater or any such things. So membrane plays a key role in that. Okay. Now there are certain types of pharmaceutical wastewaters containing drugs and all. Those will not be basically removed using a membrane system, but of course we can have a combination of membrane system plus some other unit operations so that efficiency of the process increases. Correct. Okay, there is one more query. Please shed some light on how selective membrane works in the process of incorporating the various membranes like zeolite, ceramic, glass. No, 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 no. See, this question is not complete. What exactly you wish to learn is not very clear to me. Membranes are selective. All membranes are selective, and they are tailor-made for specific applications. Now, let us say I want to remove a particular component having a particular size, shape, different physiochemical properties. I can tailor make a membrane to either retain it or to pass it, depending upon where it is. Okay, where I want to have it, either permeate side or retentant side. Now, all membranes can different types of membrane, basically using whether it is zeolite, ceramic, glass, polymer, you can tailor make it. There's nothing big deal in that. So by the very essence of tailor make is that you will make a membrane in such a way that it will do a particular job, only one particular job. That's why it is called tailor make. Okay. That doesn't mean that it will not do anything else, but it will not do up to that much of efficiency. Correct. That is why it is called tailor make, right? So somebody is asking how is membrane technology works in septage? Does it give more efficient results? What is septage? I don't know. What is the meaning of septage? Okay, okay. So septic tank things, right? Okay, fine. But again, you need to understand that as of now also membrane is little costly affair. Okay. So especially if you talk about their maintenance, their life, everything related to membrane, as it goes right now in the market, it's a bit costly. So using membrane technology for fecal material processes, or let us say you are talking about this septic tank things, is maybe not an economical way to do that. Of course, everything is not always economical when it comes for some certain type of pollutant that we need to remove. Okay, even if it is present in a very trace amount, then we don't think about economics. We have to get rid of that particular pollutant using either membrane or any other technology which will give us the highest efficiency. That's how it works. Okay. Mm. Um, I'm seeing something. It's very small actually. Uh, are PVDA PUF membrane suitable for something acidic operation? There are modified membranes. As it is, PVDF is not extremely suitable, but there are modified PVDF membranes. Okay, it can be done. Yeah. Acidic range, it is good. PVDF is fine for acidic things, but for our problem of PVDF is with alkaline range. So acid, it will be fine. Yeah. Um, I think I see very few people actually, so it's fine. This course is being rerun for many years. So many, all the course materials as well as prior live sessions are in public domain in YouTube. You can watch it later. And if you have any further question, please do feel free to write to me um, at kmohanty@iitg.ac.in. I will respond to you. Okay. And we'll close this because I mean I don't find that simply we are sitting. And in case again I'm telling you, if you have an issue, do write to me. I'll definitely respond. Okay. So all the best and be in touch. Please read the lectures notes properly. In case of any doubt, do write to me. I'll respond or our TAs will respond. And then Wish you all the best for all your final exam. And thank you very much for joining. Thank you.